Things are starting to open up and we're starting to slowly get back to work. But the fact is that our work year this year is going to be much shorter than it would normally have been. And we're going to have to do a lot of different things differently in order to get the same amount of things done. And we're going to have to get that done before probably December, because if you look at the predictions, there's a very good chance that we're going to go back into some form of a stay-at-home order or some form of an abbreviated work environment. So we need to define what the new normal is going to be first. This is going to be characterized by travel restrictions. It's going to be characterized by how we think about shift work, which is going to fundamentally change how workers are going to work next to each other and with each other in close environment. We're going to have to repair and re-engage not just facilities and equipment, but people. The entire population has been not working over the last few months, and people are going to be rusty, so they're going to have to be retrained, and they're going to have to be prepared for work in a brand new environment. We're going to have to escalate the way that we do things, specifically in manufacturing, where we're going to have to produce the same amount of product in a much shorter period of time than we would normally have. So are we going to have to operate facilities 24 hours a day? Are we going to have to open up mothballed facilities, etc.? And then finally, we have to prepare for what's next, because if you do listen to the scientists, there's a very good chance that we're going to see a recurrence in the fall or early winter. And how are we going to enable our workers to perform their job in an efficient and an effective manner going forward? Taqtile's Manifest platform was originally designed to deal with the issue of retiring workers and knowledge losses these people are leaving the workforce. But that's really just a form of service disruption. Well, we're living through the largest service disruption event in my lifetime and in a couple of generations. And so we feel that our solution is extremely timely, and we hope to do well by doing good as we deploy our solution to frontline workers across a variety of industries.